You ever open your banking app and instead of stress, you actually feel calm? Not excitement, not luxury, just peace. No panic about bills, no mental math before buying a $5 coffee, no fear that one unexpected expense will ruin everything. That feeling doesn't come from being a millionaire. It shows up much earlier than most people think, and almost nobody talks about it. My name is Nick, and I spend a lot of time thinking about how money affects the way we think, make decisions, and live our lives. Not just how to earn more, but how financial security changes your mindset. And today, I want to show you a number that quietly separates people who eventually build wealth from those who stay stuck living paycheck to paycheck for years. Most people believe wealth starts at six figures, or maybe even $1 million. But the truth is, by the time you reach those numbers, the real transformation has already happened. There's a hidden milestone that comes much earlier, a point where your stress drops, your thinking changes, and your financial life starts working with you instead of against you. That number is around $20,000. Now, at first, that might not sound life-changing, and mathematically, it isn't. But psychologically, it's massive. When you don't have savings, your brain operates in survival mode. Every decision becomes about making it to the next paycheck. You're not thinking about investing or growth. You're just trying to stay afloat. That's why people take jobs they don't enjoy, because they can't afford to wait. They stay in situations they've outgrown, because leaving feels too risky. They say yes to things they don't even want, simply because they need the money. It's not a lack of discipline, it's survival. But once you build a financial cushion, something close to $20,000, everything starts to shift. Your brain finally gets a bit of breathing room. You're no longer reacting to every small crisis. Instead of asking, how do I survive? You start asking, how do I grow? And that single change in thinking can completely reshape your future. Even research shows that having a small emergency fund, just a couple $1,000,